Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore working with main title block and how to customize it. To do this, we need the construction module, which is used to create and design architectural drawings. Let's get started. We are rendering the logo itself. In my case, it's a block. Next, go to the library of elements, drawing border templates, title block templates. Let's choose the ISO template. Turn on the display of field names. Let's insert a stamp into the drawing. As you can see, it has different fields that are used for filling. Next, we break the stamp using the explode command. Let's pick some place to place the logo. The important point is that the logo should be formed using elementary primitives. In my case, it is a block, so I will use the explode command to break it into primitives. Next, use the stamp wizard to select the graphics for the first and subsequent sheets. I'll do just for the first sheet. Let's write the name stamp logo. We will use the database to insert the stamp to make sure that everything went right. Let's now insert the title block into the drawing. Then select it, and next to the stamp, click on the arrow and select your created stamp. Our logo is displayed and fields can be filled in by double-clicking on the stamp. One of the advantages of this approach is that we can edit the table as we need. Let me do that. In addition, we can create fields to fill in. Let's add 3 fields for the example. Let's fill in these fields similar to those already in the table. Now, let's save our stamp. We will insert the title block in the same way and change the stamp to ours. As you can see, everything is working correctly. This is the end of our lesson on working with the main header block. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next lessons.